back to Free Beer Friday. This week we dropped a great video on pressure fermentation. Vito, tell them what we went over.
Yes, we went over everything. Why you want to ferment under pressure, what you need to ferment under pressure, what are some of the benefits, some of the safety things. So we covered all that. It's a great video. Check it out. Let us know what you think about it.
Today we're going to be going over pressure fermentation. It's really something fairly new for homebrewing, and it involves a lot of what professionals have done for a while.
Hey, if you haven't seen it, since we're going over pressure fermentation, check out our first look video of the new X2 Brewbilt Conical. The video link's above if you want to check it out. All right, let's take it back up to the studio for the kit of the week.
This week's kit of the week is one of my personal favorites. I've brewed it several times, and it is Zombie Dust Pale Ale.
So Zombie Dust, it's a clone of the world famous Three Floyds Brewing in Indiana, their Zombie Dust, which is 100% Citra. It's a delicious. Pale Ale is one of my favorite styles. Citra is one of my favorite hops. This is a great beer. You're gonna love it.
And to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway. I am the zombie. I should have done it. And to win, go to... All right, thanks for watching. As a reminder, please enter the monthly giveaway where we're giving away the FermZilla Tri-Conical. Go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.